Welcome to our special segment, Know Your CEO, where we will be hearing from David Patterson, the CEO of Quebec Nickel Corp. How are you doing today, David?
Roger, I'm doing just great. Thank you very much.
Awesome, awesome. Well, you know, David, we've been talking about your company for a while now, and the last time we spoke was about 5 to 6 months ago. What's happened since then?
Well, Roger, quite a bit has happened, and it's very exciting for a guy that's been in the nickel business like I have. We announced in June 3 intercepts that were really well received by the market, by geologists, etc. And then in August 30th, we announced a spectacular drill hole, and it truly is unique and anomalous in the Abitibi. It was almost 11, 12 meters of 1.5 nickel, 1.4 copper, and elevated cobalt with platinum, palladium, gold of around almost 3 grams.
Wow, platinum, palladium, and gold.
Yeah.
Unreal. That's great. Congratulations. So how do these current results, especially the last 2 press releases, stack up compared to your previous expectations?
Off the charts for expectations. We were thinking we're going to be in this 0.3, 0.4 for the nickel, 0.4, 0.5 for copper. This is an at-surface deposit, so lots makes it economic even on those grades. To come across something so anomalous. In fact, I challenge your listeners to try and find a drill hole in the Abitibi that matches our nickel, copper, cobalt, platinum, palladium that we've just announced on hole 29. So a little challenge there for you.
There you go. I hope you guys hear that. The audience love challenges, especially this investment audience. Yeah, you guys heard it here. You heard it here first. Okay. And since those last 2 press releases, like about August, the market response has been extremely favorable, where the stock's gone from anywhere from 10 cents trading now today to around 28 cents. What happened?
Oh, first of all, summer ended, and we had a pretty doldrummy summer, if that's such a word. But what also happened is we decided that we needed to bring people into the property. It's one thing you can talk to our geologist, he'll explain the rocks, the type, the way the deposits worked, what the rocks mean. But I wanted to put analysts so they could see our property in context. And one of the things that we talked about last time was the infrastructure that we have in the Abitibi. So we have a road that transects the property. We flew out of an airport that is 20 minutes from our property. When we left the property, I wanted to show them where the railway is, about 5 minutes away. And I wanted to show them where the power line was. And that's about another 5 minutes to the north. So we have air, ground, rail, and power. These are the things that help make a deposit, the economics deposit, so much more so much more friendly to putting a mine into production.
Agreed. Yeah, no, we were looking at a lot of reports recently, Benchmark put out to get into this EV space and even this new energy space, the amount of operating mines that we need on Earth. You're talking about 300 plus mines, and we're nowhere close to it. So nowhere close to it. So I know myself and the rest of our investment community are watching Quebec Nickel extremely closely. And I know we are looking forward to hear from you again in the future regarding more information on Quebec Nickel. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Well, just to come around to say, here's a challenge for your listeners. Go search the databases, try and find a drill hole that matches what we have. So I've been telling people, this is not your father's Abitibi. The Abitibi is known for gold and copper, zinc. It's not known for nickel. It's such an anomalous number that we have as to just make people, and I'm talking about senior mining people, sit up and take notice. What's going on here? Why is it happening here? And what does it mean? Those are the things that we're hoping to answer over the next few months.
Wow. Thank you very much, David, for taking the time to share with us and our investment community regarding Quebec Nickel's developments. And we look forward to seeing you in the near future, okay?
Roger, always a pleasure talking to you, as you know.
Take care.
Thanks.